Hello, dear friends of the Yoga Farm. The ashram has been here in the Sierra foothills, Grass Valley, since 1971, since Swami Vishnudevananda founded it. I came to this ashram full time since 1985, so that means I've been here 23 years. And when I'm here, we build a lot of buildings of the ashram, and that's how it come to this present state. We renovate and we build many. So the ashram now become very comfortable with many cabins and many facilities and yoga hall. Last year we had a fire that burned our, it was just some electrical thing, and it burned our bathhouse that contained 4 shower toilets and 1 handicapped bathroom and sauna. So those who have been here before, you would know about the bathhouse and many other storage house and laundry house behind. So you know, it happened to be that this is the only building that I did not myself participated in building. So I guess that is the universe is or the guru is making me get involved in the building of this building as well. So now we have the permit of building, and we are starting to build. And but then we found out that we have a budget problem to build that whole complex again of 4 bathrooms and handicapped bathrooms and sauna and storage, so on. So we are appealing to your generosity. If you can, by the holiday time, you can help us to raise funds. We need $140,000, and any contribution will be much appreciated. And as you know, the ashram is a completely volunteer-based organization. And then we have a 5013C non-profit status. So your donation will be tax deductible. And I would very much appreciate if you can help us to move through this phase, because the ashram guests, visitors, and staff deserve more comfort, simple bathrooms and sauna and handicapped bathroom and handicapped ramps. So we are looking forward to receive your donation. Thank you. Om Swami Sita.